For number 6, we have differential equation. The variable x and theta satisfy the differential equation of that, okay, and x equals to 5 when theta equals to 0. Solve the differential equation and obtain an expression for x in terms of theta. Okay, for this you have to separate the variable. Okay, so the first part is to separate the variable x and theta. Okay, so let's say I put the x here, I put the theta here. For the x, we if we cross multiple, it will become 1 over 5x plus 1. And for the d theta is simply sine square 2 theta. Okay. Next, we will have to integrate both sides. Yeah, integrate in terms of dx and d theta. Okay. For the x first, this one is quite simple. So we have 1 over fx. Yeah, that is ln 1 over 5x plus 1. Okay, and then you times 5. Sorry. Okay, and then on the second part, sine square 2 theta, we cannot simply just integrate like this. So we have to change it into double angle form using cos 2 theta. So I will just explain from the beginning, so you guys know how I get this. Cos 2 theta, that is because this is for 2 theta, so I'll just use cos 4 theta. Yeah, that is cos square 2 theta minus sine square 2 theta. Okay, since we have only sine square here and we want it to change it into the double angle form, so I just change this into 1 minus sine square 2 theta. Because why? Because sine square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta, that is equals to 1. So cos square 2 theta, that is 1 minus sine square 2 theta. Oke, nah dari sini kita udah dapat sine square 2 theta, so that is 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta. Oke, udah dari sini aku udah dapat. Sekarang berarti nextnya adalah 2 sine square 2 theta, that is equals to 1 minus cos 4 theta. Okay, and sine square 2 theta would be half minus cos 4 theta divided by 2. Okay, so I change this whole form into integration of half d theta minus integration of cos 4 theta divided by 2. Again, kalau teman-teman ketemu yang kayak begini ya, sine square, cos square, itu mau diintegrate, you cannot do it directly. So the first clue, the first initiative that you need to do is to change it into a double angle form. Usually we will be using the cos, yeah, because cos have the form for the sine square and cos square. Okay, of course this one would become, okay, let me rewrite that, 5 ln 1 over 5x plus 1 equals to integration of this obviously will become half theta. The integration of this would become negative ya, negative sine 4 theta over berarti kita bagi 4 jadi 8. Oke. Now Don't forget to put a plus c here. Oke, jadi kalau differential equation, kadang-kadang mungkin ada yang bingung, where do I put the c? Oke, so depending on which one, ya gampangnya kalau kita bisa lihat di sini kan x, di sini theta. Jadi whatever at the bottom part, you put the c there. Jadi in this case, bottom partnya adalah theta, so I put the c at the theta. Oke, yeah, that is how you recognize which side you need to put the c. Next, this is the first part we already done. Ya, tapi kita belum selesai sampai sini karena yang dia mau adalah x equals to something. Ya, x equals to theta. Okay, so first, the next part would be to find the c. Okay, so let's continue. Ini aku cross multiple. It will become 1 over 10 theta minus sin 4 theta over 40 plus c over 5. Oke, ya, jadi ini adalah first part. Then second partnya, because this is ln. Okay, so to eliminate the ln, we need to change the right hand side into the Euler part. Okay, so we have 1 over 5x plus 1 equals to e to the power of the rest, 1 over 10 theta minus sin 4 theta over 40, ya, plus c over 5. Okay, then next 1 over 5x equals to e 1 over 10 theta minus sin 4 theta over 40 plus c over 5 negative 1. Okay, this sometimes getting annoying, yeah, because it's very complicated. Looks complicated enough, yeah, this one. E to the power of 1 over 10 theta minus sin 4 theta over 40 plus c over 5, yeah, negative 5. Now, back to the question. When x equals to 5, theta equals to 0. So we can use this to find the c. So x equals to 5. I put 5 here. The theta would be 0. So 5e to the power of 0 minus 0. Yeah, because if we input the theta 0 here, everything would become 0. Plus c over 5. Yeah, that is then negative 5. Okay. So we have when we move it to the other side, this would become 5 plus 5, that is 10, yeah, 5e to the power of c over 5. So blah blah blah, we get 10 equals to 5e c to the c over 5, then e to the power of c over 5, that is 2. Okay, so c over 5, that is ln 2. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so I just input everything again. So tadi mana ya, x ya, equals to 5e to the power of 1 over 10 theta minus sin 4 theta over 40 plus c over 5 is ln 2, negative 5. Okay, next, the ln 2, e to the power of ln 2 is 2. Okay, so I just change this into 5 times 2 e to the power of, okay, let's say I just take out 1 over 10 here, easier. Okay, equals 10 theta minus 1 over 4 sin 4 theta. Okay, then negative 5. Final answer would be 10 e 1 over 10 theta minus 1 over 4 sin 4 theta, then negative 5. This is the final answer. Okay, so this differential equation can be very tricky because we have two different variable x and theta. Again, let me explain from the beginning. Yeah, so first we need to separate. Okay, then we integrate. Remember when integrating the trigonometry equation, don't forget we cannot integrate the square form. So the square form needs to change into the double angle form. So in this case, like sine square, I will change it into the double angle form of cos 4 theta. So if here is 2 theta, then the double angle form will be 4 theta. If here is 3 theta, then the double angle form would be 6 theta. Okay, so following whatever the squared expression is. Okay, then after that, after we got that, we separate and we integrate one by one. Okay, then next the plus c. Okay, this is the important concept. We every time, as long as it's not an indefinite integral, okay, we need to find we need to put a plus c, yeah, which is the constant. Yeah, now the c is on the bottom part, so the d theta. So we are not using the dx. Okay, we are not using dx, but we using the d theta. So whatever the d theta, don't forget you need to put a plus c on that side. Okay, then after that you integrate. Yeah, take your time to integrate that and simplify. Okay, after the simplification, okay, I erase the natural logarithm here by using the Euler. Okay, then it will become like this form. Then the next thing, I'm finding the c by using the data that is given to me. Yeah, x equals to 5, theta equals to 0, and I got the c equals to c over 5. Actually, c over 5 is ln 2. Then I input everything to the equation, I get the final answer. Okay, that is for number 5. Oh, sorry, number 6, sorry. Okay.